So quickly, what is a system? What is a system? Okay, a system is a way of analyzing, is a way of a systems approach जो है, what is it? It's a way of analyzing and studying complex phenomena associated with multitude of factors. Remember, it's a way of studying. So when we have something where there are too many things involved, when any type of phenomena has too many factors involved, think of climate, factors related to vegetation, factors related to winds, factors related to water surfaces. We have issues related to upper tropospheric temperature aspects, precipitation aspects. When there are too many things happening together, when too many factors control a phenomena, one way of studying that complex system is what's called as systems approach. Isme kya hota hai? It's a way of imagining that anything can be studied in terms of linkages, in terms of associations. I'm sure you all have heard about our human body systems. We have the circulatory system, we have the nervous system, we have the digestive system. The idea of system is what? The idea is that human body is complex. There are many things that work together. The heart is pumping, the lungs are helping us breathe, the kidney is operating, the blood is moving. So if you look at our human body, it's very, very complex. There are many, many things working together. So one way of analyzing this, one way of studying this is study it like a system. So in a system, what we do is we analyze and study complex phenomena associated with multitude of factors. So systems approach visualizes any phenomena or any functioning in terms of components that work and perform together, okay, and operate as an unified entity. Yaad rahega all of you? So what is systems approach? Systems approach is visualizing any phenomena. It is visualizing any functioning, anything that is operating, like in terms of components that work and perform together. So they all are related to one another and they operate as a unified entity. So this concept can be used for any type of complex functioning. Essentially, this is relevant for any complex and any dynamic functioning. Something that's operating. So it's a way of visualization. It's a way of study. Did you all understand this emphasis? Okay, that systems approach, okay, is a technique of study. Systems approach is a way of visualization. It's a tool actually. So we say that systems approach is therefore a tool. It's a tool. It's a technique of simplifying complex working. Okay, what is it? It's a tool. It's a technique of study. It's a method of studying something that's very complex in terms of how it operates. It is applicable. Systems approach is applicable. It is applicable to any type of functioning. Any type of functioning. it could be natural functioning, it could be a man-made, it could be man-made and artificial. It could be related to non-living things. It could be related to living things also. Okay, so it is applicable to any type of functioning. It could be natural systems, it could be man-made systems, okay, which are artificial in nature, man-made and artificial functioning, non-living things. Okay, so we have got water cycle is one type of a systems approach. Non-living things, it can be living things. It can be applied to any type of functioning. This idea, this concept was given by Ludwig von Bertalanffy. I know all of you will call him Butterfly. That's how even I had addressed him, okay, or read about him first. 50s में आया था. German, Ludwig, Ludwig von Bertalanffy was given by Ludwig von Bertalanffy. He was a physician, a type of a doctor. Okay, he had used systems concept to study physiology of living things. Physiology of living things. So the idea of a circulatory system, the idea of nervous system, the idea of digestive system was the work of Ludwig von Bertalanffy. Okay, Bertalanffy. Okay? He had used systems concept to study physiology of living things. It was introduced into geography. Systems approach was introduced into geography by Richard Shorley. Shorley and B.J.L. Berry. It was introduced in 1960s. Both of them British geographers. Okay? Systems approach was introduced into geography by Richard Shorley and B.J.L. Berry in 1960s. Do you have a fair idea, maybe one or two paragraphs? Can you write as introduction to what is systems approach? What's the idea? What's the thinking? Yes, both. Human geography may be aa gaya. So when I'm saying in geography, I primarily mean human geography, but also started getting used in physical geography also. So 60s mein.